Let me tell you, wealth is not luck. Wealth is not magic. Wealth is mathematics. The numbers never lie. Today, I will show you how simple numbers, percentages, addition, multiplications determines whether you stay broke, stay average, or step into abundance. Money is emotional, but wealth is mathematical. Poor people pray for luck, but wealthy people plan with numbers. Let me tell you, wealth is not luck. Wealth is not magic. Wealth is mathematics. The numbers never lie. If you understand them, you will design wealth surely as an engineer designs a bridge. Today, I will show you how simple numbers, percentages, addition, multiplications determines whether you stay broke, stay average, or step into abundance. Numbers rule wealth. Numbers don't lie, they don't pity, and they don't feel. A salary of 200,000 spent without discipline will leave you broke every month. The same 200,000 invested with 20% discipline will transform you in 10 years. Poverty is emotional. Wealth is mathematical. Two friends working in the same company, earning the same amount. One decides to spend his money. The other one decides to invest some percentage of the money. After 10 years, you discover that one is stuck while one is free. If you can't count, you can't compound. If you don't measure, you can't multiply. Here is the formula of wealth. I call this simple but powerful formula for wealth. Wealth is equal to income minus expenses multiplied by discipline by time by investment growth. Wealth is equal to income minus your expenses multiplied by discipline of investment, time it takes to compound, and your investment growth. Let's break these variables down. Your income, one is income minus your expenses is equal to your net potential wealth. Your income minus your expenses is equal to your net potential wealth. In discipline, you decide whether the net is invested or wasted. When you must have removed your expenses from your income, the remaining, what do you do with it? That's what discipline in the formula talks about. In the timing, you decide how long it takes the investments, whatever you have set aside, how long it takes it to compound into wealth. Remember, wealth is not luck. Wealth is built over time. Investment growth. How often? What kind of investment did you make? How long will it take the investment to compound into something reasonable? Remember, there are bad investments, there are good investments. There are investments you will make, they become bad in the sense that they will not multiply your results over time. But there are investments you will make, your results will be multiplied fast. However, don't go into get quick rich schemes. They are bad. They are not investments. For example, 50,000 invested. 50,000 invested at 12% returns. In 10 years, you have 11.7 million or thereabout in 10 years. It's not magic, it's mathematics. Wealth is simply patience multiplied by mathematics. Addition makes you survive, multiplication makes you free. Your salary is addition, it comes monthly. Your assets are multiplication, they make you free and wealthy. A rich man doesn't count by salary, they count by systems, and systems multiply. In the society today, you will see two people doing the same business. One reinvests his profit, and the other one spends it. In a space of 2 years, 3 years, you discover that their businesses are far apart. The difference or the difference is not the customers or the number of customers they have. The difference is what they do with the profits they make. One spends and one reinvests. We also have silent killers of wealth. I call them wealth subtractors. Here you have debts, expenses, bad habits. For example, you see someone earning 100,000 per month, but at the end of the month, he's living at 120,000. His expenses is 130,000. You discover that this person is not just, the person is living on negative wealth. It is not what you earn that matters. It is what remains after life has subtracted your appetite. Track every cover for 30 days. Numbers will expose your leaks. Let me end with this. Wealth has no emotions. It has no favorites. It is simply mathematics. If you obey the numbers will obey you. If you respect compounding, compounding will respect you. Stop calling it luck. Stop waiting for miracles. Start calculating because wealth is not a mystery. It is a formula. And the numbers, they never lie.